everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about how a lot of credit card providers are spending a lot of money to get your attention. All right. Now, we kind of touched base on this. We saw this coming, right? We knew that, of course, before Black Friday, and well in advance, they would start, pounding the mailboxes with these credit card offers, and not just of course, our mailboxes, but they're hitting it at all angles. A lot of you guys are getting stuff in the mail. I'm sorry, not the mail. Your emails. Some of you guys are getting text messages. They're sending it to old addresses. Okay, because of course I've seen it too. I'm like, man, this is an old address or whatever the case may be, because we own quite a few properties, and just the fact that they're really pushing hard to find you. Okay, and this is everybody. You don't necessarily have to be necessarily at a certain score, but even if you're under 620, they're hitting hard too. Because again, there's obviously a credit card market for if you're under 620 as well, and those particular companies know that. So it is not a surprise. It is not just you. It is confirmed that they're spending a lot more money than what they did last year to get your attention, to get you to get these credit cards. So please be careful. I know. Calvin, money's tight. I promise this. Christmas is around the corner. Everyone has their own way that you run your financial household. I'm not going to go into that, because some people have valid reasons, and some people just try to make it a reason just to buy something, right? And don't let social media rush you, okay? Please don't. We see the real behind the scenes, and granted, we get it, because people have always lived a showing kind of lifestyle, but then behind the scenes, they're struggling to make these payments or whatever the case may be. And that's not everybody. Let's make that clear. But there are some people who should not be getting those credit cards. They know it, but they want the item anyway, or they want their child to have something, or whatever the case may be, whatever they're selling themselves on. And there are some people who honestly can afford the balance and say, you know what, I'm going to pay this off next month. My company's giving me a bonus or whatever, a tax time's coming around. So we get it. we get it. At the same time, I'm just saying, be careful, okay? And then also too, don't be surprised, be prepared. What do I mean by that? Know that if you're applying for all of these cards, obviously some may be hard inquiries. So if you're going to apply for something, make sure it's a soft inquiry. Okay, guys, I'm not going to name drop any companies or whatever, because that's your prerogative. At the same time, granted, you're obviously going to do business with who's trying to do business with you, who's sending you things inside the mail. I'm just saying, be careful. So if you max out these cards, expect your score to drop. You get these hard inquiries, expect your score to drop. You do a balance transfer and it doesn't report in time, expect your score to drop. So these are common sense things that a lot of times, like, oh my God, how did this happen? Or you're waiting on something, right? And there's a chance that it may not come in time, like a Christmas bonus or, taxes. Maybe you think it may be a certain amount. So I'm just saying, be careful, okay? Because they're spending a lot of money. They're trying to get your attention. And of course, business is business. But you got to protect your business too, okay? And your business is your money, your finances for you and your family. So be careful. It's okay. My wife and I throw stuff away in the garbage all the time from credit card offers. Now, and then if you really don't want to do all that, you could just go to and just opt out. You can go to pre-screen opt out, or just Google pre-screen opt out. And then just opt out of all the offers, okay? But that's going to stop you from mailing offers and pre-screening offers. But then that doesn't necessarily mean that you still won't get mail. That just means that you won't get mail based on your pre-screen score, because there are some companies that from data they'll send you an offer, but they didn't pre-screen you, okay? So like, for example, they see that you have a newer car. Common sense, I can't pre-screen you, but let me go ahead and send you this. Now, of course, it's more expensive to go that route, but they're fighting for the dollars, okay? So be careful, guys. If you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.